Okay, g'day everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today, for new affiliate marketers or people who want to make money online, what I'm going to talk about is who your buyer is. Now, this may resonate with some, but if you're struggling with affiliate marketing in that you just seem to be working, spending money on ads, keep putting your offers out there, buying solo ads, maybe buying Facebook ads, Google ads, and you're getting just a few dollars in return, or worse still, absolutely nothing, then part of the problem may be because you're not understanding who your buyer is. Now, you imagine a shop and it's got lots of products, and a particular person comes into that shop and he's only interested in product A. He's going to go to the shop assistant and he's going to ask for product A, and hopefully the assistant is going to direct him or her to where product A is. Okay, it's a very simple process and a simple transaction for that particular customer if they're able to get what they want. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, unless you've defined who your buyer is, the equivalent is that person going into the shop and saying, hey, I want product B, and you're the salesperson, and you say to them, well, I'm not sure about product A, and I don't really care that you want product A. I've got this fantastic product here called product B. Well, what do you think is going to happen? Like, that customer is sold on product A. Yes, it could take a lot of work to convert them to product B, but it's not what they want. Okay. And the buyer, unless you understand who the buyer is, what his or her desires are, what result they want, then that could be part of the reason why you're not succeeding with your processes. Now, it's a very, very simple thing, but you've got to understand that in the world of affiliate marketing, everyone is sold on this concept of just making money, because that's the promise that's been made by lots of the packages and programs out there. Hey, sign up and you can make money online. But one of the things they don't teach you is really the core components of marketing itself. So affiliate marketing is about selling someone else's product. So if you don't understand the core principles of marketing, then how do you think that you're going to be successful? You may get lucky, and some people have it naturally in their mind and they know, but they do it kind of subconsciously.